Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel where I always do vlogs, how to do tutorials, and I cook food sometimes, and I do a lot of hairstyle. So you get all these vibes in one place. And everything is for free. Please subscribe and don't forget to click that bell below. Ding, ding, ding. So when I put some new videos, you'll be the first one to be notified and you can join my little club. So everything is for free. Who don't like free things? I do. Anyway, let me not talk. Let me show you what brought you here. I'm going to be sharing today 10 different hairstyle you can use on your braided hair. So if you think braided hair cannot be styled, let me prove you wrong. So we're gonna start with this simple. You just do nothing, just let it flow like that. So one, what you can do, can put on one side, and this you can pin it down like there. But what I do, I like to grab a small amount here, and then I'm gonna connect these two like that. There we go. Hashtag 2. So that's how it looks. Simple and very effective. Number 3, what you can do, you can put everything to this. And I think this number 3, you all have seen it on my previous video. If you haven't, I'm going to put the link there or there, so you can go ahead and see how you can style this simple hairstyle. It's what I did, simple like that. And what you do, you need to make like a small circle like that. This is very simple, and you can use this on going to work, or you wanna dress up a little bit. So this is number 4. So we're getting there. What you can do more, you can just leave this on the side. Let me turn it around like that. You can leave this here on the side, and then grab 2 pieces from behind, both sides, and try to make this side a little bit loose like this. Sorry, I have to look at the mirror there. And just grab these 2. Don't put them too tight, you want them loose like that. There we go. 5 to go. And what you can do with the same hairstyle, you can grab the hair, braid them on the side, or bring them to the left side. And what you can do, you can twist them here, and then you have a side bun. And here you need to have another hairband to protect it, So you need to hold. Let me look if I have another hairband. Let's see. I'm gonna do that at the last. Let's go to number 6. What I do with number 6, I'm going to grab middle hair like that. And then we're going to put everything in a small ponytail here, like that. Simple, like that. Number 6. So we're gonna stay up here a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make a small circle. You put it like that. You will open. Hope you all can see that. Then you twist it around. Twist it, twist it, twist it around. Just slowly and smoothly. Twist it like that. Here we go. That's number 6. I lost counting. 6 or 7, let me know. So like that. That's how my behind looks like. And what you can do, you can bring your hair to the front like that. And you have a number 7. Or what you can do, you can bring it on the sideways. That. And then you can do like a small twist on this hair, like that. And then after twisting it, you bring it slowly on top of that hair, like that. Then put it under, like that. See that? So it gives a simple, like twisted, I don't know if you can see the idea, like that. That's number 8. So let's go to number 9. Gonna put everything down again, and we're going to do a bend like that. So we're gonna grab all the hair and put it in the middle, like this. And then like that. Simple, simplest hairstyle. This is the simplest you can do. And if you don't want it loose, what you do, make a small hole again and twist it and twist it and twist it and twist it and twist it. Twist it like that. And you have like that. Like that. What you can do, a hairstyle like this, you can add some earrings. That makes it look more standing. You can use any type of earrings that you have. I like these ones for now to match my necklace. And we're ready to go. What you can do, we are still up there. I lost count. Was this 10? Or you can do, this is a bonus. If we are 10, this is a bonus. What you can do, you can just grab all the hair and put it right there, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, like there. And we're gonna twist it again. The twisting loop works perfectly for the hairstyle. Like that. See that? That's another simple hairstyle, and you can use a scarf. All this hairstyle I did, if you have a small scarf, let's see, we use this one like this, you can just go ahead and just twist it around like that. And there we go. You have something, you know, to match your dresses. So I hope you all have liked this video. Let me show you what you can do also with the scarf. There's a lot of things you can do with the scarf. You can just put your hair, like, leave a little bit that. Oh, I'm giving you more bonus and more bonus. Not only 10 hairstyles, but we are going to 12 hairstyles. So twist it like that, and then you're gonna twist this around like this. Like that. You're gonna try to do it. You can grab this and twist it like a loose twist, you know. So that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed my hairstyle. Remember, every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. Never forget to love yourself. Until next time, thank you all for watching. Mwah.